Look at Chris with Cuba, had one night, he fucked her, boy, and you go to always teach her, bro. Did she even tell you, bro?
Oh, what? Yeah, fool. Remember chapiz? I told you, no? The Asian hyena, fool, like, I bust a mission. Oh, bust a mission after you got fucked up last time, remember? My pet.
Yeah.
After. Oh, well, yeah, fool. What would you do, fool? Would you bust a mission with a hyena también,
Well,
way?
yeah,
We're guys, fool. I don't know about Julio, but me and you, we're men, way. Boom, I bust a mission. Okay, I fucked up.
Julio starts tearing and shit.
He's listening to me and shit.
He's like, I miss her so much.
Long story short, I fucked up. What? Wait.
Julio starts laughing and shit because it's true.
Long story short, I fucked the Asian. I mean, fool, like, come on, Julio. Like, I did that shit in less than 24 hours. You couldn't do that shit for 6 months.
No. You know, step a game, fella.
It took me 24 hours to do something that you couldn't do.
To be honest.
For like what, 6 years?
Do the move for like hyenas expect you to do the move. Eres que repito, güey, but you have to do the move fool. You're an adult fool. They're gonna be like, oh, este güey no quiere or he's gay.
Fool, most likely like the hyena like touching. Well, yeah, fool, even Julio admitted like the hyena did touch Julio. And I'm pretty sure Julio's like, oh, yo, don't touch me.
No mames.
Oh yeah, fool, you're a man, no?
Mames,
Fool, if a hyena touches you, you touch back, way.
Well, yeah, it's another thing. That's like a turn on for, oh shit, this bitch touched me.
When the hyena touches you, she's literally opened the door for you, way, like, hey, fuck me.
Yeah.
And that's your job, way. And what the fuck did you do? To pinche, oh, don't touch me.
Fool, nigga, I never saw fool like. Fool, this what you're talking shit right now, nigga. Like,
Fool,
this nigga, fool, like.
fool, that's what you tell me, man.
Fool, I never see like, oh, don't touch me, no mames. Fool, like, why would I say that, fool?
Oh, yeah, Chappy said that, remember?
Oh, like, oh, so it's what fucking guy. Huh?
Julio gets crazy shit.
Revive the Snapchat group. Back on.
Is that true, Julio? Like,
Nah, no mames, wey. You know what?
Hey, wait, Julio, neta, wey. Te con la morra and you told her to fuck up. You didn't touch her back, boo.
Fool, no mames, wey. Like,
Well, no mames, go for like if Honda touch you for, you have to touch her back.
fool, I did, bitch.
Fool,
What
look,
happened, fool?
the Asian, this is how we started
Okay,
with.
Julio, what happened, fool?
This is how we started. The Asian hyena, when I came with the Asian hyena way. First, we were fucking grabbing hands, like, fucking, a la vera, así. And then she grabbed my shoulder next. And then I grabbed her leg, way, her thighs. And then she grabbed my thighs. And you know what after what happened. She slide her hand through my cock, way. That's how you do it, fool. She touched you, but what the fuck you didn't do? You didn't touch her back, way.
Fool, nigga, fool. I never told you I didn't touch her back, way. I never did. I was driving and she touched me like, oh shit. And I touched her, way, like she was driving.
Grab her back, grab her leg.
Fool, like, fool, you telling like if I was like a little kid, no mames, Chris.
Did you grab the thighs?
Fool, like you said.
Like if she's a fool, got la pinche mano, wey.
Fool, fuck you guys. Hold, give him a beer. Para, perro.
Julio, fucking no, fool, no mames, perro, no mames.
Fool,
Fuck it. He was back in the days like, oh, yeah, I used to get bitches every time.
Tell me who the fucking Hannah's name is for, like, let me go do a job.
Fuck you guys. Hold, para, no, give him a beer, no, perro.
Who the fuck think I am, fool?
Fool, no mames, fool. Se van a calentar ahí, güey, no mames. Oh, take this one.
Come on, beer, fool, there's some more. Hold it.
Just watch out for my car, way. Oh, yeah, fool. I get bitches with that car. Where do you put the cans, way?
Or trash, güey, when you guys leave. Ever take your trash?
That's chapiz.